Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A98. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap more, agree, and now say OK Google, OK Google, OK Google. Tap next. Not now, and now let's try it out. OK Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply say OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be thunderstorms with a high of 85 and a low of 65.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.